Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with the Blog to Watch. Please subscribe to Blog to Watch videos on YouTube and like this video if you find it useful. I'm here at the Rolex boutique in Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive, and I'm looking at two Submariner models. These are the newer ones. This is the reference 116610 and the 114060. The difference between these two models is one is the date model and one is the no date model, and the differences between them are just that, but the price difference is actually considerable. So this is the newest generation Rolex Submariner. It's 40 millimeters wide in Rolex's very high grade steel, and if you've ever handled a Rolex watch in any material, you'll know that they do metal fantastically. I can't think of any other brand which really does metal any better than Rolex does. As a sports watch, very, very classic design that anyone will recognize, has been copied, countless times. The newest version has the blue lume. This is the ceramic bezel, rotating bezel, turns very, very nicely. And the ceramic is very, very scratch resistant. On this model, it's quite glossy. The date here has the Cyclops magnifier, and in the no date model you can tell it's a little bit more of a clean look. You don't have the Cyclops because you don't need it, but then again you don't have that date complication. The bracelet on these watches is really, really fantastic. It has something called glide lock. You can see that there's little pieces in there, and basically what it allows you to do is micro adjust using the sliding system for a very, very precise feel or fit. And also, if you're having a day where your wrist is a little bit bigger because it's hot out or something like that, you can adjust the size on the fly without having to do anything special with tools. On the wrist, 40 millimeters wide like this it's pretty big. It's pretty big for 40. You can tell that because of this wide lug structure here and these sort of wide flanks, it fits like a larger watch, especially since the length of the lugs pretty much, at least on my wrist, extends to the top and bottom of the wrist. But still, at 40 millimeters wide, it is one of the smaller dive watches on the market, but that really doesn't hurt Rolex sales any bit whatsoever. 300 meters water resistance. Obviously, you have an in-house made Rolex movement. Really, really a fantastic watch, a classic. Prices for the version with the date is $8,550. That's $8,550, and without the date, the Submariner is about $1,000 less at $7,500. Fantastic model. Again, this is the Rolex Submariner date and no date, the newest versions, and you can see the full review on a Blog to Watch. Thanks.